Perfect.
What's swinging, gang? It's loud out here, and that's because we at Auto Pros. You already know we got the M6 and the X5 out here because we doing big boy exhaust work. The M6 getting a full muffler delete, so it's gonna be straight pipe. And y'all don't even know all what the M6 been through, so I'm gonna let y'all know what all the M6 been through too. Like, this baby got a fully forged motor and everything. Like, the motor end up blowing, but I'm gonna get back on that next time when we come and pick the car back up. But I'm also doing my exhaust mods on the, let me open this up. Finally getting the exhaust done on the X5 also. Yeah, as you can see, we got the full exhaust new system in here. The Vibrant Performance muffler, Mandrel Benz 2.5, and the quad exhaust tips. And that's pretty much what's going on the X5. Right now I got the stock exhaust on there, and I'm also do a before and after. I already got the before recorded, so I'm gonna do a before and after video also, so you guys can see what this thing sounds like with the new exhaust on it. But now I'm finna show you exactly what the M6 is gonna get done. Well, the parts we got for the muffler delete for the M6. Because right now it has the stock exhaust on it, stock mufflers, and I think those are 2.5-inch outlets. And this is what are going on them. Cause the factory exhaust is 3-inch. So that's 3-inch in, dual 4-inch out. And that's carbon fiber. Got some Aprakovich chips here. This is gonna sound a hell of a lot better than a Aprakovich exhaust because this is straight pipe, you know, so. And then, like, we didn't want to go to Aprakovich exhaust tips, but these are the only ones that we could get in that size to fit that carbon fiber rear diffuser on the car. So we just went with the Aprakovich. But I'm gonna give you guys before and after the muffler delete on here and the Vibrant Performance exhaust on the X5. So, all right, we got the M6 in the air. If y'all don't know what the stock exhaust look like, I'm gonna show you what the stock exhaust look like. Three-inch pipe coming to the muffler, and right here we have 3-inch pipe going to the muffler, and then they have the tips angle on the exit. So we're gonna have to put it on the pipe bender and put a little bend in it. But yeah, she definitely going straight pipe today, gang. And look at the difference in the tip size. It's massive, literally. Like, look at that. That's crazy. Wait, let me put it a little closer. Yeah, so that's a big difference. Yeah, those are gonna look really good on there. And like, no, we didn't go with the Aprakovich exhaust because exhaust tips to try to floss and fake like it's an Aprakovich system on here. We went with those tips because of the size inlet and the size on the outlet will be perfect for this and the quality. So this is gonna, a straight pipe in my personal opinion is gonna sound a hell of a lot better than a Aprakovich exhaust, you know, for a lot cheaper. So let's go ahead and get this exhaust done. we got the straight pipe kit done. Definitely in. We're gonna replace this rear diffuser because we tried to repair it and the repair didn't go too good, so the rear diffuser is just gonna be replaced, but the straight pipe is definitely in. It looks gorgeous. Everything's lined up even. So we're gonna get this first start up, gang. See what she sound like. Ooh, that is gorgeous. That's a lot of carbon fiber down there, gang. That is a lot of carbon fiber.
Yeah, I just told him.
You can even back up more if you want, all right? Take your wheels to the left. Back it up slow. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Dropped the key in the road out the car. It almost got ran over.
Give me get back.
What the hell? You dropped the key, crazy man. You dropped the key. You dropped the key. Huh? No, you dropped it in the road. When you took off, it fell in the road. Probably was.
Ooh, that thing loud. Gang, I hope y'all love the way the X6M sound now with the muffler delete. It's a lot more aggressive, a lot deeper, you know, and he's getting ready to put all of his stage 4 mods on, so it's gonna be way nastier. I can't wait. I wasn't able to do the X5 exhaust today. I'm gonna do it on a different day because I got very busy, you know, and life comes first. So, you know, I'm sorry I wasn't able to get it done today, but I'm gonna get it done and take it back to the track to see what the exhaust adds to the car, you know. But that X6M sounds nasty, super nasty, and I'm very happy for it. And I'm also do an update video on the X6M to let you guys know what happened to it, because it has a fully forged engine now. You know, I think it was like $26,000 to forge the engine because the engine blew. I'm gonna do another video on that. You know, I got some footage of the engine getting built, a couple of pictures and stuff like that, you know, and let you guys know what happened to it, because a lot of people have been asking about the M6 on my IG. So the M6 is definitely back, and it has a 1500 horsepower capable engine, so it's definitely gonna be nasty. So until the next time, Auto Lust out.